Hillary, I like how you're matching your red weather graphics today, too.
Weather
as well.
impact, yes.
She's always thinking ahead.
I always do.
After working around the clock, you guys
Yes.
did a great job.
Thank you.
The whole weather impact team, and still going strong, as you can see. Now, if you were on social media at all over the weekend, you likely saw a post or two from the Louisville Metro Police Department.
That's right. The department has gone viral for its many posts on X during the snowstorm, often joking about drivers and even themselves.
And here's just a few. So here's one. It says, reports from the Crescent Hill area salted their sidewalks 14 hours before the storm hit. Their preparedness cannot be matched, just like their Halloween game.
Hillcrest Avenue, nice shout out.
And this one, if you see someone wiping snow off their car with their forearm in pure desperation, no, you didn't. Mind your business.
When you can't find the snow brush. Oh, that's the worst.
Exactly. That's me.
And another one we went back and found today. We've pushed so many cars today, the officers are adding personal trainer to their resumes. Don't skip leg day. Well, Mayor Greenberg was asked about the posts on X just this afternoon.
Some folks are trying to have fun online on the account during a time when a lot of people are at home or on social media. They take their jobs incredibly seriously, and so nobody should be confused with the clearly and obviously humorous tone of some comments that they've been making online with the serious nature of their work.
Well, the department also shared some photos of the officers enjoying the snow, sledding, and having snowball fights with the kids. And you know, this really generated a lot of attention. National media organizations have reached out to the police department today saying, who's behind these?
They practice up all weekend.
Okay, and let's also, put out there that they have been doing a lot of work for hours on hours on hours.
So
a lot of the
helping
videos
the
they
community.
posted is officers out pushing people
cars,
out of the way.
We've seen
and,
it. So.
Also the mayor told a story yesterday about one of the salt crew, one of the truck drivers saw somebody who was out in the cold late in the night, like 1 in the morning, rescued that person, called in for help. So they stop their jobs and jump into action.
Yeah.